Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring the best blue fruit bowl you can add to your kitchen or dining space, the STE-CER ceramic fruit bowl. This piece stands out not just as a functional item, but as a stylish centerpiece that brings vintage charm and farmhouse elegance to any room. What makes this bowl truly special is its unique design, inspired by traditional pedestal bowls but enhanced with a beautiful reactive glaze. This glazing technique creates a dreamy and decorative finish, giving each bowl a one-of-a-kind look. No two bowls are exactly alike because the firing process causes slight variations in color and texture, making your bowl a truly unique work of art. The STE-CER fruit bowl is made from food-grade porcelain clay, fired at high temperatures to ensure durability and safety. It's microwave, oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher safe, so you don't have to worry about convenience or maintenance. The glaze is smooth and delicate, making it easy to clean and resistant to scratches, which keeps it looking pristine over time. In terms of size, the bowl measures 10.2 inches in diameter and 3 inches high, with a maximum capacity of 65 ounces. This makes it perfect for holding a generous amount of fruit, but also versatile enough to serve candies, bread, vegetables, or even decorative items like keys or ornamental balls. Whether you place it on your kitchen counter or use it as a dining table centerpiece, it adds an elegant and functional touch. The overall farmhouse style, combined with the retro yet sophisticated look of the glaze, makes it a great addition to many home decor themes. It's lead-free and non-toxic, so it's safe for daily use, and its pedestal base elevates the bowl for a more refined presentation. If you're looking for a ceramic fruit bowl that blends practicality with aesthetic appeal, the STE-CER ceramic fruit bowl in blue is a fantastic choice. Its large size, easy maintenance, and unique glaze make it a statement piece for your home. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more detailed product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.